Okay, guys, welcome to the Spot Academy channel, and you are watching the web series of how to learn Primavera P6 Professional latest version. In the previous video, we told you how to make a WBS work background structure, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to add activities to your project. So follow the previous video in order to learn how to make the WBS, and then after that see this video in order to add activities to your project. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do, we have a project named ABC. You right click on it and click on open project. After that, these are the two WBS which we had made in our previous video. Now we have these three WBS. What you have to do is to click on the WBS and click on add, and you have this window. You need to give the name of the activity, maybe A. Activity ID should be A1000, okay, and it should be anything, but it's on by default is 1000. Activity name, you need to give any name of the activity, like if you are going to perform a civil work, then you can write it an excavation or shattering, wettering, something like that. Okay, then click on next. Click on the WBS you wanted this activity to be included. Click on this button, and then a new window will appear, and you have to select which WBS you want it to be included in this activity. So I should select design and click on next. This is the activity type. I will tell you what are the meaning of these types in my upcoming videos. Choose one activity type, then click on next. If you wanted to assign a resource on this activity, I will tell you how to make a resource. Right now we don't have any resource on this project, so I should have to leave it blank, and then click on next. We will study how to make resources and add resources to your activities in the later videos. Click on next, click, and also this duration type, I will tell you this thing in my upcoming videos as well, so don't you worry about it. Click on next. Labor hour, this is the important thing. High labor units, high non-labor units, high duration. This is the activity duration, like how long your activity will end up. So by default is 5. Click on next. And what is this? Would you like to assign predecessors and successors? This I will tell you in my upcoming videos. This is all about the relationships. So leave it right now. No. Click on keep this no selected, and let's click on next. More details. Would you like to configure more activity details? Yes. Continue activity. No. Click on next. And congratulations, click on finish. You have successfully added up a single activity in your project, and you can see on the Gantt chart there is one bar which you can extend it by dragging it up, and here you can also see that if when you have dragged it, when you have increased it, the duration has also been increased. So here you can also increase or decrease the duration of the activity. So by using the same pattern, same process, same steps, you can add up all the activities into a project. But if you want it to make it more simple, what you have to do is to go to edit and user preferences, and toward the assistance, and you can click on uncheck this thing. So the new activity visor will not appear in the upcoming activities. Click on this, close it, and after that when you click on add, no one will ask you all these questions. This the activity with same options, same selections, same preference will appear. This activity with has this activity code, and you can write B, and the duration will 5, percentage completion 0, the start date and the finish date to the float is 0. Everything will be described to you in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching.